Let's start fresh, as these skilled farmers take meticulous care of their banana trees. They're removing dried flowers to enhance airflow and sunlight, a crucial step for healthy growth. You might wonder why the bananas are bagged. These blue bags reduce the need for pesticides, promote an organic approach to pest control, and help maintain the ideal temperature and humidity levels. Once the bananas reach the desired size, workers cut the banana hands using sharp knives, ensuring they are harvested together. The bananas are then transported safely via a DIY wire system, minimizing potential damage like bruising. Bananas thrive in warm climates, and India, as the largest producer, grows around 30 million bananas annually. Upon arrival at the facility, the bananas are washed and cleaned with just the right water pressure to avoid damage. A quality check ensures only the best bananas are selected for further processing. To maintain freshness, the bananas are quickly pre-cooled in cold water to slow down ripening and preserve their firmness. Only bananas that meet size, shape, and firmness standards are chosen for chip production. This selection is done manually by workers who ensure top-quality fruits are transported for processing. These green bananas are ideal because they are firmer and less sweet, making them perfect for slicing and frying. A banana slicer cuts the bananas into even slices, approximately 3 mm thick, before they are fried to a crispy golden brown in an industrial fryer. The chips are then flavored with seasonings and packaged using multi-head weighing machines for consistency and efficiency. In addition to chips, the factory also exports fresh bananas, maintaining strict quality standards for both. After receiving ripe bananas, they are processed into pulp, which is ideal for smoothies, baby food, and baked goods. Speaking of juices, apple juice is a popular beverage, commonly found in bottled form for convenience. Japan is known for producing high-quality apple juice, sometimes made with a single premium apple per bottle. While processed apple juice is convenient, fresh apples offer more nutrients and health benefits. Moving on to walnuts, their omega-3 fatty acids support brain health and cognitive function. Walnuts also reduce the risk of heart disease and may improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Despite their health benefits, they are calorie-dense, so a moderate serving size is around 1 ounce or 12 to 14 walnut halves. Lastly, croissants are loved for their flaky, buttery texture, and the machines behind their creation ensure that these delicate pastries continue to delight. The same can be said for baklava, with its golden layers and toasted nut aroma, offering an irresistible combination of textures and flavors for an unforgettable experience. If you think I'm exaggerating, trust me, you've got to try it yourself to believe it. The handmade touch of each piece truly adds to its charm, making every bite feel like a labor of love. And that sugar syrup at the end? It's the perfect finishing touch that will leave you completely satisfied. Now let's talk about chocolate. Whenever I see or smell chocolate, my senses go wild. It's almost as if nothing else matters at that moment. But before that, the filling needs to be evenly cut so that it can be perfectly coated with rich, smooth, and irresistible chocolate. And that's where the magic happens. The star of the show is the chocolate waterfall. You've probably seen how evenly the chocolate drips over each filling, covering it in a perfectly uniform layer. Speaking of amazing, let's talk about waffles. These delightful treats are incredibly versatile, making them perfect for any time of the day. Whether you serve them as a warm breakfast, a satisfying dessert, or even as a playful snack, waffles never disappoint. But hold on, just wait for that final touch. When they're covered with that rich, gooey, melted chocolate, I can promise you, once you try it, you'll be hooked. But our food production journey doesn't end there. Enter the mighty sandwich cutter, a real game changer. This tool slices through salami with ease and precision, ensuring every piece is perfect for your sandwich. And then there's the biscuit cutter, another marvel of precision engineering. This machine slices biscuits with flawless uniformity and speed, making sure every piece is perfect and ready to go. Now let's talk about efficiency in food production. Some machines are truly magical. Take, for instance, the egg cracking machine. This impressive piece of equipment can crack hundreds of eggs in mere minutes, effortlessly. Not only does it save time, but it also ensures there's no waste. And then there's the cheese slicer, which works just as smoothly, producing perfectly even slices of cheese that are uniform and precise. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps us know how many people are interested in our upcoming videos. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more exciting and satisfying content. Industrial food production is an incredible thing. Factories use advanced machinery and high-tech systems to process raw ingredients into finished products with speed and precision. Machines like the cherry pit remover are a prime example of innovation. This device works quickly and accurately, removing pits from cherries in seconds, which makes it easier to produce cherry-based products without the laborious task of doing it by hand. The best part? It speeds up the entire process while reducing waste. Washing fruits and vegetables is another step where technology shines. In large-scale production, produce like peppers goes through a meticulous washing process where each vegetable is carefully cleaned and inspected. The goal is to ensure that only the finest, freshest produce reaches the shelves, making every dish that much more beautiful. The same goes for meats, whether it's slicing steaks, processing ground beef, or preparing chicken. Machines make sure everything is cut, measured, and packaged with precision. The machines used in food production are precision-driven, making sure nothing goes to waste. Whether it's the creation of candy, the slicing of meat, or the packaging of bread, these tools are designed to get everything just right. And even when it comes to frozen foods like chicken, these machines make sure everything stays fresh for longer. As the chicken pieces move through the freezing process, they're immediately chilled to preserve freshness, making it convenient for consumers to use them at any time. And then there's the amazing custom cutters, which ensure that no two pieces are the same. You're not stuck with the same old shapes and sizes. These tools allow for a variety of cuts, tailored to meet different needs. They work silently yet effectively, preserving the aroma and moisture of freshly baked bread, extending its shelf life, and ensuring that each slice tastes just as heavenly as the first. These industrial facilities are more than just vast complexes. They're the heart of food production, ensuring that we have access to a wide variety of food options, safe, convenient, and affordable. Their advanced technology and highly efficient processes allow them to produce large batches of food in no time while keeping quality at the forefront. It's all about using innovative techniques to make food production faster, safer, and more efficient. In the end, these machines are more than just regular tools. They're inventions that make food production better, faster, and more reliable. From slicing fruits and vegetables to packaging your favorite drinks, these machines work together in perfect harmony, ensuring everything is done with precision and speed. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like this, you know where to find us. Thanks for joining us on this satisfying journey through the world of food production. Keep an eye out for our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment with any suggestions for what we should feature next. We'd love to hear your thoughts.